I want to show you guys how you can quickly, in less than 2 minutes, create subtitle. I'm going to shorten this because of the time. In less than 2 minutes, you can subtitle any project that you're working on. So this is an interview that I filmed. Before now, we have to just start typing what she's saying one after the other. But with this new development in Premiere Pro, you can quickly just subtitle what anybody is saying. All right. So how do you do this? You come to Windows and you come and select text from the drop-down menu. And all you have to do is transcribe the sequence. Choose the audio you want to transcribe, because you know when you edit, they're going to be music, sound effects, and the rest. But now I just want to transcribe the audio one that has the interview. So I will just click on it and say transcribe, and just wait for Premiere Pro to do its thing. Okay, so this is AI, and it's working. It's listening and also transcribing the interview, and it's done. Okay, so this is what she's saying. To represent the British Council, I've been given a lead paper on how we can make our school. So what do you do next? Click on this icon, on this CC icon. Click on the icon, then you can choose either line if you want it to be single line or double line. All right, for me, I really prefer the double line, and I'll just click create. You can change the caption preset, the format, but I think I just like the default preset that is there. And I'll click create. Immediately you click create, you're going to have it on your timeline. The subtitle will be on your timeline. If you play back now, you'll see that everything is there.
To represent the British Council, and I'm being given a lead paper.
All right. So, what step you can take further? You can actually format the text, change the format of the text by first and foremost coming to Windows, choose your essential graphics. Then let me zoom this out so I can get to see my timeline very well. So I'm going to select all of my text and move them upward, align them upward. Let me bring out my safe margin tools. So align them upward, probably just put them here. And also I can change the style, the fonts, anything that I want. And even adjust and format it any way I want it to look like. And it's going to affect all the other ones. You understand? You can add background to the text by clicking on this background and change the background color. Any other thing here it depends on what you want. All right. So this is how simple it is. No need for you to type manually anymore. Premiere Pro has made this easy for every one of us. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and drop a comment. Thank you very much.